whatever is happening in Goa Medical College, as you know, that the expectation of the people with the amount of cases with cardiac cases, and it is a known fact that 20 in a day, your doctors are working well. I compliment you with all that. But somehow those 2 CAT labs, first of all, are not enough. एक minute, your PET scan machine आजे तुई सांगलो ना केदों ये PET scan केदों येते दूसरे जे stroke patient what you have admitted that within 1 eye is a critical thing, and I think that spoon and hub approach was what you hub and spoke is what you started. That is a good thing, but patients from Kankon or Sange, by the time 1 hour they reach, it will take time. PET scan machine, CAT lab, I congratulated you first when you announced the CAT lab. Today, if you look at the answers, you say that the CAT lab is supposed to be on the roof of South Goa District Hospital, and GSIDC has said that on the terrace, that is the answer, and there is no roof there. Speaker sir, can now when will the roof be made? Prashna mugele je PET scan machine, and that you give us an assurance that there is a huge scope. And I know you can do it, but there is a huge scope with regards to cardiac cases. You will improvise.
Yes, okay.
And that PET scan machine, जो बारीक लोग आज 27,000 रुपया हरिको दा outside, if they go do it privately, that is very, very important. When will the PET scan machine come? Give us a time bound report.
Yes. Cabinet already decision घेतलेला असा की एक PET scan machine आम्ही गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान आम्ही install करतले.
When?
No, install means we have already given. There was a proposal that has come that I'll just, during the course of the demands, I'll make sure that I'll give the deadline and exactly when it will be installed. Because already the space has been identified, and that PET scan machine, which has been approved by the cabinet, will be installed there. So that the people of Goa get benefit out of it. तो जे सांगता ते सारखे
पैसे गरज ना तो घालता तो.